Question 10. We've got a bias dice thrown 60 times and the results are shown here. And we're asked to work out an estimate for the probability that the dice will land on 6 both times. So we're looking at this result. So after 60 throws, 6 came up 15 times. So I can say that the probability of a 6 is equal to the results, which was 15, divided by the number of throws, 60. And this is equal to a quarter. And that probability won't change however many times you throw it. Yes, of course, if you throw it 5,000 times, this table will be refined. But given that these are our results, if you throw it again, we have to work on the probability that you'll get a chance of 15 out of 60 for the next throw. So the probability of 2 6s is equal to a quarter multiplied by a quarter, which is equal to 1/16. And that will be the first answer. So in part B, we're asked a supplementary question. The dice is going to be thrown another n times, and Sally is going to use her results to work out a more reliable estimate for this result of 15 out of 60 throws. So what can you say about the value of n? Well, to significantly improve on this result, n should be as large as possible, but certainly it should be larger than 60, because the more times you throw this bias dice, the better this result will become. I can say that n must be larger than 60, and really the larger the better. And that will get you the 1 mark available in part B.